Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class maths. Students, in previous video we completed exercise 4a of integers. In this video we will start exercise 4b. Before this exercise 4b, some points you have to keep in your mind. Addition of two positive integers gives a positive integers. Yes. And addition of two negative integers is a negative integer. Now start this exercise 4b. Question number 1 is here. Find the following sums. First part, plus 73 plus, and we have to add here plus 37. Both are positive integer. Plus 73 and plus 37. Yes, first part. Positive integers. If we will add both of this, we will get a positive integer. Yes, sum of both of this 110 with positive sign. In second part, 125 plus, and we have to add here plus 35. On adding both of this positive integer, we will get plus 160. Third part, 212 plus 86. On adding, we are getting plus 298. In fourth, minus 36 plus minus 42. Means we have to add two negative integers, minus 36 and minus 42. If we will add two negative integers, then we will get a negative integer. Means sum will be a negative integer, minus 78. Fifth, minus 92 plus minus 29. Both are negative. Yes. Sum is also negative. We will add, but we will put sign of minus. 121. In 6, minus 315 plus minus 18. Yes. First we will find the absolute value of this minus 18. That is minus 18. Minus 315 minus 18. On adding both of this, minus 333. Like this rest part of this question number 1, try yourself. Come to this, evaluate the following. First part, plus 110 minus plus 20. Yes, 110 minus 20. Subtraction will be there and answer will come with positive sign. Yes, here the bigger number is 110, which is having a positive sign. It means the answer will go with bigger number. Means that sign with the bigger number. Here 110 have positive sign. That's why we will put here positive. Answer is plus 90. Second, 500 minus plus 217. 500 minus 217. Subtraction will be there and answer will with positive sign. Yes, 283, because here 500 is greater than 217 and this is having positive sign. Third, 165 minus 56. Yes. 165 minus 56, subtraction is there. Yes, on subtraction we are getting 109. Yes, and this we will write with positive sign because here 165 is greater than 56. Fourth is here 45 minus plus 72. Plus minus minus we will take 45 minus 72. Then we are getting 27. This will come with negative sign. Here 72 is greater than 45. Fifth, plus 30 minus 93. Yes, subtraction will be there. After subtraction we are getting 63, and 63 with negative sign. Here 93 is greater than 30, and 93 is having negative sign. This is greater than 30, that's why we will take this with answer. This negative sign we will take with answer. 6 plus 48 minus 48, same number, but here this have opposite sign. In this case answer will be 0. Rest part of this question number 2, try yourself. Students, here minus 27 is equal to minus 27. Yes, minus 27. Come to this 3. Question number 3 is evaluate the following. First part is here 66 minus 12. It's minus plus. Yes, plus sign we will put here. 66 plus 12, both are positive, 78 we will get. In second part, 108 minus 80. Minus plus. Yes, plus. 108 plus 80, 188 with positive sign. Third, 15 minus 32. 15 plus 32, 47. Minus 25 minus 52, both are negative integer. Sum will be a negative integer, minus 77. Fifth, minus 175 minus 96, both are negative, and sum is also negative, minus 271. Next question is question number 4. A part is here. What should be added to 10 so that the sum becomes minus 21? Let x is required number. This we have to add with 10. 10 plus s, 10 plus x, and the sum is minus 21. We will take this 10 on right hand side. If we will shift on right hand side, sign will be changed. Here on left hand side it is with plus sign, and if we will take this on right hand side, this will come with minus sign. Yes, minus 21 minus 10, minus plus, but sign we will take here negative, because here 21 is greater than 10. Yes, x is equal to minus 31. This is the required value. Come to the next one. Question number 4b. What is the number which gives 12 when minus 39 is subtracted from it? Yes. Let x be the required number. Yes. We are getting 12 when we are subtracting minus 39. Okay, according to question we will put here x minus 39 is equal to 12, because we are getting here 12 after subtraction. Minus plus. Yes, here multiplication is here. Minus plus. X plus 39 is equal to 12. Now student, you will take this 39 on right hand side. It will come with negative sign. Yes, x is equal to 12 minus 39. On subtraction you are getting minus 27. This is the required value. Question number 5. Evaluate the following. Yes, in first part 15 plus minus 42 plus minus 11. Student, if two and more than two integers are there with positive and negative sign. In this case, you will make group of positive sign and negative sign separately. Here 15 with the positive sign, we will take this first, and minus 42 and minus 11 both are negative, we will take this together. On adding, we are getting minus 53. Now plus 15 minus 53, plus minus minus will be there, but sign will go with bigger number, that is here 53. 53 is greater than 15. That's why on subtraction we are getting 38 with negative sign. Second part, minus 26 plus 36 plus minus 10. Yes, negative number we will take together. First we will find the absolute value, minus 26 plus 36, and here minus 10. 36 we will take in the starting, and minus 26 and minus 10 we will take together. On adding both of this number, we are getting minus 36. And plus 36 minus 36, same number with opposite sign, 0 will be answer. 3rd part is here, 8 minus 13 plus 16. Yes, 8 plus 16, positive number we will take together, minus 13. On adding 8 and 16, 24 we are getting, minus 13, plus minus minus, and here 24 is bigger than 13, and this 24 has positive sign, that's why 11 will come with positive sign. Rest part of this question number 5, try yourself. Come to 6. In this 6, find the values of the following. First part, 40 minus 34 plus 13 minus 21. Yes, 40 and 13, positive number we will take together, and minus 34 and minus 21, these we will take together. On adding positive number, we are getting 53. On adding negative integer, we are getting minus 55. Plus minus minus, yes. On subtraction, we are getting minus 2, yes. Negative sign is here because 55 is greater than 53, and this 55 has negative sign. Second part, 62 minus 45 minus 54 plus 38. 62 plus 38, positive, take together, and minus 45 minus 54, negative, yes, we will take these together. On adding positive integer, 100 we are getting. On adding negative integer, minus 99. On subtraction, 1. Yes, 100 is greater than 99, and 100 is here with positive sign. That's why 1 will go with positive sign. Third part is here, 50 minus 5 minus 20 minus 25. Yes, 50, only one number is here with positive sign, that is 50, and minus 5 minus 20 minus 25. Add these all together. On adding these, you are getting minus 50. Yes, plus 50 minus 50, 0 will be answer. This is your answer. Rest part, try yourself of this exercise. Next exercise is 14C. Yes, here product of two integers. Yes, if two positive integers in multiplication, then plus we will get plus sign in answer. Okay, if you are multiplying two negative integers, then also product will be positive. Yes, yes. In multiplication, if a number with positive sign and the second with the negative sign, then the product will come with negative sign. Yes. Next is, if we are multiplying a integer by 0, then 0 we will get, and if we are multiplying an integer by 1, then we are getting integer itself. Yes. And if we are multiplying integer by -1, then we will get a negative integer itself. Okay, let's start exercise. Exercise 14C. Question number 1. Find the products. First is plus 32 multiply by 7. Both are positive. Yes. 32 multiply by 7. On multiply we are getting 224 with positive sign. Yes. Plus multiply by plus. If we are multiplying two positive numbers, then we will get a positive integer. Yes. Product will come in positive. Second, 11 multiply by plus 12. Both are positive. Yes, here is multiplication. On multiplication we are getting 132. Third, plus 21 multiply by plus 8. Yes, 168. Yes, which one is positive? Minus 13 multiply by minus 9. Yes. If we are taking two negative integer in multiplication, then we will get a positive product. Yes. Okay. These sign you have to keep in your mind. Minus minus plus. If you are multiplying minus by minus, plus you will get. Fifth, minus 15 multiply by minus 6. Both are negative. Yes. Product we will get with positive sign, that is 90. 15 multiply by 6, 90. 6 minus 125 multiply by minus 4. Minus minus plus. 125 multiply by 4. 500 with positive sign. Rest part try yourself. Come to the question number 2. Find the values of the following. First part is here. 6 multiply by minus 5 multiply by minus 4. We will take these together. Those are having negative sign, minus minus plus. 5 multiply by 4, 20 you will get. 20 multiply by 6, 120. Because both are positive now. Product will come with positive sign. In second part, minus 11 multiply by 12. Yes. 12 with a positive sign multiply by minus 7. 11 multiply by 12 or plus minus. If you are multiplying a minus integer with a plus integer, then you will get minus. Yes. Then you will get a product in minus. Minus plus minus will be there. Yes, plus minus, here minus, here plus, then product in minus. 11 multiply by 12 minus 132 and multiply by 7. Now both are negative. Minus multiply by minus, plus will be there. 132 multiply by 7, 924. Third is here, minus 15 multiply by minus 10 multiply by 8. Yes, both are negative. Plus will be the product of both of this. 15 multiply by 10, 150 plus multiply by 8. Now both are positive. On multiplication we are getting 1200. Fourth is here, minus 21 multiply by minus 6 multiply by minus 8. Here minus 21 minus 6 both are negative. On multiplication we are getting plus 126. Now you will take minus 8. Plus minus minus. Yes. Plus multiply by minus, then you will get minus. Minus 1008. Rest part try yourself of this question number 2. Next is 3. Find the following quotient. This dividation is here. In first part, 84 divided by 6, both are positive. 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. 14 we are getting 24. In second part, plus 70 divided by 5. Yes, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Plus 14 you are getting in second part. So which one is having no sign like this? It means it is positive. Third, 360 divided by plus 12. 360 divided by 12, 12 1 is 12, 12 3 is 36 and 0 is there, plus 30. And next, fourth, minus 75 divided by minus 15. Yes, minus we can cancel by minus. Okay, and 75 divided by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 75, positive. This answer will be positive. Fifth, minus 80 divided by minus 16. Yes, we can cancel this minus by minus. Then what is left? 80 by 16. Both are divisible by 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8 and 0. 20 upon 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 25. This is the answer. Minus 64 upon minus 8. Minus minus both will cancel. 64 upon 8 we will get. And it is going 8 times. 8 1 is 8. 8 8 is 64. Plus 8. Plus 8. This is the answer. Fourth. In fourth A part he is saying what is the integer which when multiplied by 18 by minus 18 gives the integer 126. Yes, what is the integer which when multiplied by minus 18? Okay, yes, let the integer be x. If this is multiplied by minus 18, then you are getting 126. Let's take this minus 18 on right hand side. Yes, if we will shift this on right hand side, yes, here in left hand side this is in multiplication. If we will take this on other side, it will come in division. Yes, 126 divided by minus 18. If we are dividing a positive number by a negative number, then quotient will come in negative sign. Minus 126 divided by 18. Yes, we can put this sign here. Both are divisible by 9. 9 to the 18. 9 1 is 9. 9 4 is 36. Now 14 upon 2 we are getting with negative sign. Both are divisible, yes, divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14. Now the required number is minus 7. This is the required integer. Second part, try yourself of this question number 4. 5, fill in the blanks. Yes, for in first part, minus 35 multiplied by 1, minus 35. Yes. Second, 13 multiplied by minus 1, minus 13. Next is third, minus 25 multiplied by minus 1, minus minus plus. 25 multiplied by 1, 25. Yes. Fourth, 0 multiplied by minus 17. If you are multiplying a integer by 0, then you will get 0. So and once again come to the rules. So here are some rules that you have to learn. Yes, in question you can use this plus divided by plus, plus you will get. Minus divided by minus, then plus you will get. Yes, plus divided by minus, then minus you will get. Minus divided by plus, minus you will get. Yes. 0 divided by non-zero integer, then 0 you will get. And integer divided by 1, then integer itself you will get, and integer divided by -1, then minus integer itself you will get. Some product and divisions are here, you have to keep in your mind. Up to the next video. Thank you.